Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to start investing with Acorns and grow your spare change, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to begin your investment journey with Acorns, making it easy to put your spare change to work for you. Step 1. Download the Acorns app. The first step to starting your investment journey with Acorns is to download the app. You can find it on both the App Store and Google Play. Once you have it installed, open the app and create your account. Bawim. Step 2. Set up your account. After downloading the app, you'll need to create an account. Provide your email address, create a password, and fill in the required personal information. This information typically includes your name, date of birth, and social security number for identification purposes. Step 3. Select your investment strategy. Once your account is set up, Acorns will ask you a series of questions to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, Acorns will suggest an investment portfolio that aligns with your preferences, ranging from conservative to aggressive options. Step 4. Link your bank account. To help you grow your spare change, you'll need to link a bank account to your Acorns account. This allows Acorns to round up your purchases and invest the spare change automatically. Simply follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account. Step 5. Start rounding up and investing. With your bank account linked, you can turn on the roundup feature. Acorns will automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.50, Acorns will round up to $3 and invest the extra $0.50. Step 6. Set up recurring investments. In addition to rounding up your spare change, you can set up recurring investments. This feature lets you choose a specific amount to automatically invest on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This can help you build your investment portfolio consistently over time. Step 7. Monitor your investments. Once your Acorns account is set up and active, you can monitor your investments through the app. Acorns provides insights into your portfolio's performance, giving you a clear view of your investment growth over time. Step 8. Educate yourself. Acorns offers a variety of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. Take advantage of these tools to enhance your knowledge and make more informed investment decisions. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you get started with Acorns and start growing your spare change into something more significant. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.